Wow, guys, this is very amazing superhero Thanos. Wow, what a greatest and very powerful superhero Thanos. Guys, this is the action figure fighting hero Edge. Wow, what an amazing superhero, guys. Guys, guess the name of this very powerful superhero name. Guys, this is Superman. Wow, what a cute and very handsome superhero, guys. This is Superman. Wow. Guys, do you know what is this, guys? This is the mini superhero Green Lantern. Wow, amazing, guys. Guys, do you know what is this, guys? This is the superhero Batman. Wow, what a greatest and very amazing superhero, guys. Guys, do you know what is this, guys? Guys, this is very cute superhero Brock Lesnar. What a cute and very handsome superhero, guys. Wow. Guys, guess the name of this powerful superhero. Guys, this is very amazing superhero Hulk. Wow. Guys, this is very cute superhero, guys. Guys, this is the superhero Iron Man. Wow. Guys, this is very beautiful superhero Spiderman. What a cute and very handsome superhero, guys. Guys, this is mini Spider-Man. Wow. This is very cute blue color superhero Spider-Man. Wow. Guys, this is the another very beautiful and very cute superhero Spider-Man. Wow. What a greatest and very charming superhero, guys. Wow. Guys, this is the action figure fighting hero John Cena. Wow, amazing, guys. Guys, this is mini army man. Wow.